Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new then welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I conceal my dark circles, and for that I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury color corrector. This is a new product for me, so let's see how it works. Before this I used to use the Makeup Forever, this camouflage color palette, and I always used to use this peachy orangey shade, this one, but I'm nearly out of it, so I thought I'll try out the Charlotte Tilbury. So I got the shade Deep, so it is darker than what I used to use, but I hope it works well. So it's quite a bit darker. This is more salmon peachy, this is more red, but let's see. I think it should work well. So first, for this, what I do is I just take a very little amount on a concealer brush, so just that much, and I just put it very lightly where my dark circles are. I want to brighten my inner corner. So what this peachy red color does, it contrasts with the blue that we have going on that causes the under eyes to look darker. So this is how it looks. I know it looks really weird right now, but it's gonna be okay. So now we're gonna go with the concealer. So I'm using the Too Faced Sculpting Concealer, and just tap. And if you color correct, you don't need to use that much concealer. So I'm just gonna take a fluffyish brush and just blend this in. And I just like to take the concealer on my eyelids as well, just to even it out a bit before I can go in and do my So I just wanted to show you one eye first. As you can see, it's brighter, and you can't really see my under eye circles as well. And I didn't use that much concealer. I maybe could have even gone for a little less, because when you color correct, then you don't need to use that much concealer. Just 2 dots more, because it's a little less on this eye. And this is how my under eye looks. Now I'm just gonna take the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder, and just with a very light fluffy brush, I'm gonna set everything in. Always look up when you're setting your under eye, so you don't crease, like you can set without the creasing. And this is how it looks. Another trick is always use less product, and you can always build it up. I don't recommend you to go in with a lot of concealer or a lot of the color corrector. I'm really liking the results of this, and even though it looked really scary, the red color worked really well. And that's all for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful. I know it was a short, quick video, and I just wanted to do it specifically for the under eyes, because I do get a lot of inquiries about that. So I hope it was helpful, and do take care, keep safe, and bye.